Serving others with a 5-star approach is the lifeblood of our business, so when we receive a glowing review, we love to share the news. We're honoured when someone takes the time to write about their personal experience, like this. So it should come as no surprise that we love hearing from people that are very happy and satisfied, and this review is no exception in showing our dedication to superior service. This is also one of our favourite reviews. Very inspiring. So if you're seeking a company that's focused on great satisfaction and high quality service, we're your choice. We're confident that you'll walk away very satisfied. Thank you for taking the time to visit with us today. We look forward to speaking with you. We're only one call away from serving you.